What is up, YouTube? Back with another unboxing. I did kind of already start to unbox this, but my video cut out for I don't know what reason. But that's beside the point. Still got all the plastic here. It's all here just so you guys don't think I'm lying to you. And I've had this for a minute. Here's all the plastic. WWE Intercontinental Black Heavyweight Championship. Check that bad boy out. A lot of great wrestlers had this. Ricky Steamboat, Ultimate Warrior, Bret Hart. List goes on. You can Google who had it. I don't feel like going down the list. Too many. This is definitely my favorite mid-card title in wrestling. Check this bad boy out. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Pretty nice. It's not that heavy. Got a nice bend to it though. It's really light though, but it's nice. Who wants to carry around a heavy belt all the time? The champ's heat. Take this side. Yeah, it's pretty nice. But yeah, it's probably my favorite mid-card title. What's your guys' favorite mid-card title? Intercontinental? United States Championship? What? Which one? I like them both, but this is probably my favorite. WWE shop. Got this on sale. Best time to buy the belts. Unless you're a baller and you can just throw money around and pay whatever price, but I buy my belts when they're on sale. So yeah, this is the Black Intercontinental Replica. Check it out, boys and girls. It's pretty sweet. Sorry you missed the unboxing, but wasn't very exciting. You guys didn't miss too much. This is the good part. I love this block logo. This plate right here. I wish they put them on all the old replicas. Really nice. My favorite logo. Love that. Yeah, check that out. It's nice. It's got a nice size to it. I like it. I could actually carry this belt around. Yeah, so here's the 2021 Intercontinental Replica. Old school style. That's how we play.
Oh, you didn't know? Your ass better call somebody!
That's it for the video, guys. Peace out. I'll be back with more unboxing. Hope you guys like it. If you want to purchase the Intercontinental, I mean, I would. Peace out, guys.